Good day everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to create a new Google Sheets file on your Google Chrome. This tutorial will be very simple and really easy to do, so anyone should be able to do this if you watch carefully. Now, let us get started. First of all, I want you to make sure that the Google Chrome you are using is currently up to date. This is so that we can avoid any unexpected errors that we may encounter along the way. Now, let us get started. As you can see, I'm currently on a new Google Chrome tab. For those of you who don't know, Google Sheets is actually a free software that's offered by Google along with the other word processing software such as Google Docs, Google Sites, and more. Google Sheet allows you to tabulate data, insert data using many different kind of cells, and also allowing you to format each text on different cells. Now, let us get started. The first thing that you would like to do is to ensure that you have opened your Google Chrome successfully with a good running internet. And then from the search bar of your Google Chrome, either from this one or this one, click on it and type in Google Sheets. Click enter. And as you can see, it will redirect you to this results page, in which it gives you tons of options to choose from. From here, do not click on this sponsored one as it will take you to Google Workspace, but rather focus on the second one, which is this link right here, which is www.google.com to Sheets then About. Click on this one, and as you can see, we will be brought to this tab right here. From here, click on Go to Sheets right over here. Click on it once. And if this is your first time using Google Sheets, it may require you to sign in using your Google account. So please do and use your main Google account, as Google Sheets will save this file or these files that you create on Google Sheets under the Google Drive of the Google account that you just signed in. So once you have signed in, this is what it should look like. If you have not created any file yet, then this section would be empty. But as you can see, I already have 2 files created, which is created by June 9, 2024. Now from here, click on the plus icon which says blank spreadsheet. Click it once. And as you can see, after I clicked it once, it will redirect us to this blank canvas in which we have many cells. And you can navigate through the cells using your arrow keys. Down arrow key, right, left, and up. Now you can actually type here, and you can format those texts, in which we will teach you from the other tutorials that can be located on our dedicated playlist compiling all the different Google Sheets tutorial on our YouTube channel. So please be sure to check it out. Then from here, you can type in as many data as you want, and for saving, again, it will be on the dedicated playlist. From here, thank you so much for watching. If you learned something in this video, please consider subscribing and dropping a like. I'll see you guys next time, and goodbye.